नमस्कार, फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है. Welcome back to पैसा बोलता है. Recently, a Tata company had its AGM. It was the 60th AGM. All Tata companies seems to be more than 50 years old. This company was previously known as Tata Tea, before that Tata Finlay. The Finlay family wanted to get rid of its estates. J.R.D. Tata bought it as a favor, and from there came Tata Tea. They started with Kannan Devan. They had a Taj Mahal brand of tea, and then they went and acquired Tetley and became a worldwide brand. Along with that, they had a subsidiary called Tata Coffee, which they make coffee plantations in South India, and they have in America what is called as 8 o'clock coffee. Then they acquired Himalayan water brand. They have cereals, they have health food, and they have a wide range of products. And these dal products were with Tata Chemicals. Salt was with Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals is one of the largest manufacturer of salts. The distribution was with Tata Chemicals, but Tata Chemicals demerged that business and gave it to Tata Consumer because distribution would be easier. I still believe that Tata Chemicals supplies the salt, and this is being distributed by Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer has become the world's second largest company for tea. It is also the second largest company for coffee. It distributes Himalayan water. It reaches 201 million houses across the globe, and its distribution muscle has increased. It's available, I think, to nearly 3.5 million outlets across the country. And the company has been continuously upgrading itself. The new products to sales has gone up from 0.88 to 3.4. It is 3.5% of the company's total sales comes from new products. And when you compare with Hindustan Unilever, which we saw yesterday, this company seems to be relatively undervalued, though I won't buy it. This company is not selling at 10 times sales. They had a company called Nourish, which was a joint venture with Pepsi. They bought back the shares with Pepsi. It was making some water. I used to like that water, flavored water. Whether they are going to improve that and sell it is something which I would like to know. They also are selling Soulful, which is a series of health products. So basically what Chandrasekhar said in that conference is something I'd like to go through with you. This company is going to look at food and beverages as the main source, and Tata Coffee, which is a subsidiary, is going to be merged into Tata Consumer by the first half of 24-25.
But will it affect the JV with Starbucks?
No. This is when they are sourcing coffee for.
Okay.
They are sourcing coffee for
the Starbucks.
So Tata Starbucks is a separate venture in which it's a 50-50 shareholding between Starbucks and Tata's. And since whenever Coffee Day got into trouble, these guys launched Tata Starbucks, and they have rapidly expanded. I don't think it's still become profitable, but it will, because they have rapidly expanded it. They have gone into several towns, and there are also small shops in which they are coming. And since they have the muscle and cash flow, unlike Coffee Day, they are not in trouble. So people can hang around, wait for coffee, and they are selling quite a bit of coffee through Tata Starbucks. The potential to grow Tata Starbucks is huge, and it's a premium end of the coffee market, and I'm sure they will do extremely well in Tata Starbucks coffee. So basically what they are going to do is they have a wide range of products. They have mineral water with Himalayas. They have salt and food and salt.
Ready to cook everything
Everything they have now launched. I think like what ITC did with Kitchens of India, they will tie up with Taj. Taj will supply the products for ready to cook. So you will have made ready-made sambar rice and other things, hydrogenated products of these companies, and they will sell it, distribute it to Tata consumers. But I don't know whether Taj will do it or whether they will do it
Tata
then.
will do it. Okay, sir.
But they have a ready-made facility in which they can cook the food and take out the water, and you can just put it in water and it will come back immediately. And the technology is known. Everybody knows in technology. And so you have to just put upma in water, those kind of things. How they are going to marry the knowledge they have in Indian hotels and transfer it to Tata Consumer is something which we have to watch. Because ITC has done it successfully. ITC hotels, whatever they have the skill sets, they have transferred it to ITC Foods in the sense as products, and it's coming. So I think that Kitchens of India or Great Kitchens, one brand is there. So these guys, Great Indian Kitchen, these guys will do the same.
Okay.
And Tata's also are one of the biggest suppliers for Taj Flight Kitchen. For all international airlines, they are supplying
Supplying the
food tray. So whether this what will happen there is something I'm very much interested.
And one more thing that the Ensign Jagan has spoken about is Tata consumer products. They are not only looking in for R&D with the new products, but they are trying to get new
Yeah, they
companies.
are going to acquire.
acquisitions.
They almost acquired Bisleri.
Yes.
It fell through just
A minor gap.
minor gap. If they had bought Bisleri, imagine Himalaya and Bisleri together, and they would have added more distribution points. It would have had huge distribution muscle,
And it will be a threat for ITC, I guess.
it would have been a threat for everybody, because what was happening is Bisleri has got cans which are reaching homes.
Yes, sir.
So all the affluent homes buy Bisleri cans,
Bisleri can.
right? So he would have entered the kitchen.
Okay.
That's what he was trying to enter the kitchen. Maybe the price they asked was a bit too much. Valuations didn't work out, but they were attempting to reach kitchens. What Chandrasekhar is telling is they will push very hard. They will look for more acquisitions and they will grow. If you look back at my talk yesterday, you will find out that he is talking about Hindustan's Mehta said Tatas are a big threat.
Yes, he has rightly predicted.
He has predicted. So on one end you will have Tatas. On one end you will have Mukesh Ambani's Reliance at the low end. He didn't talk of ITC. I said there is going to be ITC.
ITC a major player.
So in the food companies, Unilever, ITC and Tata's will be the biggest players of in India, and not many people realize they bought this big basket.
Yes, sir.
So they will push this through big basket also. So this is going to be a very interesting time. But for my conventional methods, this stock is too costly, 768, and PE is how much?
PE is more than 30.
More than 30. But if you are thinking of buying Hindustan Unilever, you can buy Tata Consumer. So this is the takeaway. And I had this with a 10 rupees stock at 150 or 160. So I think we had a big dividend payout when they bought a Coke, a company health drink, and sold it to Coke. So they gave a big dividend. And then they split the stock. Okay. So I have now some X number of stocks which are around 720. And I bought the original stock at 160. So this is like 7,200
times.
7,200. So I have nearly made 4 times and received a lot of dividend. So I'm scared to buy. But in 2 years, it's almost doubled.
Yes.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता के पॉडकास्ट में आप उपस्थित हुए, इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। आप इस पॉडकास्ट के बारे में जो कमेंट्स आपके पास हैं, जो आप लिख सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबाइए। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।